These RVs have been awarded by experts as the best of their kind. We have selected 5 RVs that have received the award from either RV Dealers Association or RV Pro, an industry-leading magazine that reviews the best RVs from the industry. But are these RVs really that perfect? Or are there a few minor flaws? Let's take a look.
Motorhome luxury.
After years of domination in Class A and towable RVs, Grand Design RV recently stepped into the Class C market with this power-packed product, and it instantly caught the eye of the customers. Meet the M25FW. It won the RV Pro's 2025 Class C RV of the Year award as well. Here's why it actually is the perfect Class C RV you can hope for. The M25FW starts at a price range of $228,000 and offers some mind-blowing features, including 2 huge slide-outs that increase the living space magnificently. Based on the Mercedes-Benz 4500 chassis, the 25FW is actually the first ever motorized RV by Grand Design RV, showcasing their innovative strategy. At 25.6 feet in length, the RV comes with a full fiberglass coating that stops water leakage possibilities from the roots, solving one of the biggest problems of Class C RV customers. At the same time, the compact build of the motorhome allows customers to easily navigate through lanes and explore farther areas without getting stuck while taking a turn. On the exterior, you have a full entertainment setup with a large TV, sound systems, lighting, and a large powered awning that sets the mood perfectly. Not to say storage is another area where Grand Design has succeeded. However, the real fun begins as soon as you step inside the motorhome. The 2 slide-outs increase the living space massively and offer you lots of space to move around easily. The interior setup is as lavish and luxurious as it can be. Powered theater seating, a full-fledged entertainment setup, a spacious and well-organized kitchen setup that includes a fridge and microwave, and a comfortable double bed at the back wait for you as you step inside the vehicle. This is further complemented by a bunk double bed and a large dry bathroom setup that's the dream of every RV enthusiast out there. However, what makes this RV almost perfect is the limited number of floor plans the Lineage M has to offer. At this moment, there are only 2 floor plans out there. That's quite less than what the competitors offer. Not just that, since this is the company's first motorized RV, reliability and after-sales support may still be in the learning phase, leading to some inconvenience in your experience. But that's not what you can say for the next RV on our list. When it comes to reliability and brand value, it's unbeatable. You guessed it right. I am talking about Airstream, one of the customer's favorite RV brands across the United States. From the iconic Silver Bullet to the latest Airstream Classic 33 FB, the company has managed to retain premium manufacturing, high quality and excellent dealership services throughout Canada and the USA, becoming an integral part of many families out there. Recently, Airstream won the award for dealer satisfaction from the RV Dealers Association Quality Circle Award in both the motorhome and towable categories. But the best part is, the company won this award for the 10th consecutive time, making a clear statement that when it comes to dealer satisfaction and services, no one can beat Airstream. To make things even better, the Airstream Classic 33 FB won the RV News 2025 RV of the Year award, highlighting Airstream continuous throughout the timeline. The 33.25-foot travel trailer carries on the iconic riveted aluminum shell, an Airstream Classic that's not just aesthetic but highly durable and long-lasting. The exterior is filled with interesting features, which include a large powered awning with LED lights that comes out all the way to give you a really nice shade, heated and weather-protected storage compartments that can store more than you think, beautiful windows, and a fantastic roof that houses 300 watts of solar panels that charge the 2.5 kilowatt lithium-ion batteries, offering you immense off-grid options. What's new is the trailer sway control that makes the RV more stable and pleasant while you're hitting the road. But what won it the award lies inside. Stepping inside the 33 FB, the RV instantly feels more spacious than it looks from the outside, thanks to Airstream's well-known layout design capabilities. The living area blows your mind with its luxurious setup and features. A large kitchen setup that includes a 3-burner stove, sink, residential fridge, convection microwave, and dozens of storage cabinets allowing you to store all your kitchen essentials safely. It doesn't feel less than a luxurious apartment. The dining setup makes things even better. You have a 4-person dinette booth sitting right across the kitchen that becomes the perfect spot for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But here's the best part. As you move toward the rear, there sits a super luxurious theater seating reclining sofa set that beats everything. And to fulfill your entertainment, a push-to-lift smart TV is installed right there that isn't visible until you press the button. Isn't that fabulous? The bathroom is similarly spacious and luxurious, competing directly with some of the best bathroom setups out there. For the bedroom, Airstream offers 2 options in the 33FB. You can either get a lifting queen bed or a twin bed setup that's not just beautiful, but also offers immense storage options beneath the beds and on the sidewalls. A very crucial feature that contributed a lot in winning this RV the award for the best RV of the year is the all-new My Airstream app that lets you control almost all of the RV remotely in an app. Temperature, lights, tank status, awning, you can do it all. Now, it does seem like the perfect RV out there, doesn't it? However, there are a couple of things that make it hard for the customers to go with Airstream. Apart from the extremely high price range and maintenance, the Airstream weighs over 8,000 pounds, requiring a really big and powerful truck to tow it. This not only adds to the expenses, but also limits the customer range for the company. Everybody cannot afford a massive truck and a super expensive Airstream trailer, right? But if you're worried about buying an extra towing truck or getting a large garage to park your RV, this RV is almost perfect for you. It's compact, luxurious, and innovative. Leisure Travel Vans is another RV manufacturer that has retained an excellent track record with its product. In October 2024, the company won the RVDA DSI Quality Circle Award for the 12th time in a row, highlighting its amazing relationship management with dealerships, its unbeatable customer service, and reliability in the market. This Canadian motorhome manufacturer, which works under the parent company EEE, has been dominating the Class B+ market for over a decade. But this time, they've made their name in the Class C range too. In the recent 2025 RV Business RV of the Year Awards, the Leisure Travel Vans Unity FX model received the award for the must-see RVs. Starting at a price range of $231,000, the Unity FX comes out as an all-in-one solution for people who are looking for compact RVs that give the luxury of those huge motorhomes. At around 25 feet in length, the Unity FX comes with an eye-pleasing, classy design and is super easy to navigate and park. The exterior design looks elegant and is full of exciting features which include a big powered awning, lots of storage compartments, and standard 270 ampere-hour lithium batteries with a 3,000-watt inverter that'll keep everything running smoothly. However, what you must see in this RV lies inside, including a huge slide-out that increases the interior space massively. Stepping inside the Unity FX, you instantly get the vibe of luxury and space, despite its compact build. Right in front of the entry door, you'll find patented dual reclining swiveling chairs that give you the feel of theater seating perfectly. Right across, you have your entertainment setup, which includes a smart TV, an amazing sound system, and beautiful lighting, all with so much storage space. But here's the best part. This theater seating quickly converts into a beautiful dinette booth as you lift up the table hidden beneath the armrest. Not just that, there's a Murphy queen bed sneaking around at its back too. When it's dark and you need some sleep, just pull it down and there's a beautiful double bed for you. This little space literally gives you 3 different setups, something you must see. Another area to watch out for is the bathroom that's insanely spacious considering the compact size of the RV. It includes a full-fledged separate shower and a toilet section, quite similar to what you get in those 40-foot monstrous motorhomes. But wait, it's not perfect either. The RV comes with only one slide-out, while many other Class C RVs in the same range offer dual slide-outs that offer more space and comfort. Also, a big problem with leisure travel vans is their long waiting time. If you order a Unity FX right now, you're likely to get it at the end of the next year, which is a very long waiting period. Up next, we have an RV that's not for side quests. It's for serious people who are looking for serious adventures. A compact off-road RV that's completely practical. Presenting to you, the Hymer MLT 570 crossover, a wonderful RV that starts at a price range of $189,000 and offers some really mind-blowing features. It is because of these unique features of this motorhome that Hymer won the award for the best motorhome for full-time living at the Practical Motorhome Awards 2025. At 22.6 feet long, the 570 crossover becomes a compact option for people who are looking for easier handling and hassle-free parking. The exterior of this RV looks really amazing with its catchy van design and a lift-up front section that portrays the Mercedes logo beautifully. The exterior highlights include a large powered awning, assistive steps for the entry door, plenty of windows, and 95-watt solar panels installed on the roof that ensure off-grid capabilities. At the rear section of this side lies one of the most special elements of the camper van. It is a massive garage that offers you immense storage space for almost anything you want to carry. Extra mattresses, barbecue setups, surfboards, you've got it all. The garage comes equipped with lights for better visibility and can be opened from both sides, ensuring better accessibility. But here's the fun. It has an exterior shower too. Perfect for full-time living, isn't it? But you won't be living outside the van. So, let's get inside. Inside the MLT 570 crossover, you'll find a very strategically organized interior layout that promotes hassle-free movement, different setups, and premium appliances. The dinette area sits right in front of the entry door and can easily be converted into a child's bed within minutes. The kitchen isn't the biggest of all, but it has everything that you need in a kitchen to cook your favorite meals. One of the highlights of the interior and why this RV won the award is the innovative swiveling bathroom that expands the space, making you feel much more comfortable. The bedroom sitting at the back includes a massive double bed that comes with a beautiful lighting setup, lots of storage beneath the bed, and superb space to support your full-time lifestyle in the RV. Sounds perfect, right? But this is where it falls off the mark. Despite its off-road branding, the Hymer MLT 570 crossover seems to have issues with narrow terrains or tough off-road tracks, limiting its capabilities and your opportunities, making it an almost perfect RV. Meet the Momentum 392 from Grand Design RV, and it has definitely crossed all expectations this time. Starting at a price range of $167,000, this large 46-foot travel trailer comes with all the luxury that can beat a lavish apartment. You get a fully functional kitchen setup featuring solid countertops, residential-grade appliances which include a massive 50-inch TV, a large refrigerator, a microwave, and other premium items. This isn't just a little toy that takes you from one place to another. This is a massive house on wheels that can sleep up to 9 people. You heard that right? But that's just the start. Let's talk about the feature that got them the higher attention they needed. The Momentum 392M recently won the 2025 RV Pros Toy Hauler of the Year award because of its massive 17-foot rear garage that can easily eat ATVs, e-bikes, and loads of outdoor gear with still room to spare. The innovative P2K bed system allows much more interior space at the back, without a permanent wall continuously eating into your space. The rear garage space itself converts into a wonderful interior-exterior patio deck that enhances your living experience multifold. Once properly set up, the patio deck has sidewalls on 3 sides. But it wasn't just the aesthetics that won Grand Design RV this prestigious award. The company's attention to detail and a very strategic approach has made this travel trailer the perfect toy hauler out there. But there are some things that make this RV not that perfect. The biggest of them all is the size of this monstrous travel trailer itself. Maneuvering a 46-foot giant is never going to be easy. No arguments needed. The second element becomes its massive weight of 16,982 pounds that goes all the way up to 22,500 pounds with cargo. This makes it an extremely heavy trailer that can only be towed by very powerful trucks like the Ford Super Duty F350 or the Ram 3500, which themselves are super expensive. This limits the customer range significantly, making it an almost perfect for you. Which RV, in your opinion, has come the closest to being perfect on this list? Did we forget one that should definitely be included? Let us know in the comments, and if you're interested in a motorhome of the future, click on this video and we'll see you soon in a new luxury motorhome.